Never been average, tailor-made from a different fabric. Biographic, on tape, mine cinematic. Lost my prodigy, I'm feeling havoc. AI intelligence, screw the practice. Couple messages up in the madness. Few days since I seen the mattress on the field. Blessings on blessings on blessings, man. We have a brand new set of pods. You see the new pods, baby?
Yeah, but you're making too much.
Oh, my bad, my bad. Did I scare you? No. A little bit? Oh, shock you? My bad, my bad. My voice is booming sometimes, I forget. My little one was like, Dad, you're a little bit loud. So let me tone it down a little bit because she's doing her educational stuff. But yeah, we got these T-Fall pots that were just dropped off today. And a couple other things, man. So it's a blessing. I love cooking, in case you guys didn't know. It's one of the things that I do that, like, you know, it's pretty therapeutic. I find it very calming. And, you know, it's very relaxing. Whenever I have anything to figure out, you know, I just... get to cooking, man. Weirdly enough, doing dishes and cooking are two things that I do that you know, put me in a zen vibe. Most people don't like doing dishes. They feel like, you know, I don't know, people feel like doing dishes is beneath them or whatever. For me, yes, we have a dishwasher and all that, but just the process of cleaning pots and stuff like that. I don't know, call me Mr. Domestic, man. Yes, my better half can leave the kids in the whole household and just, like, you know, she could run away if she wanted to. And the house would not explode. She'll come back. The kids would be well nourished, well fed, well taken care of. The house would be spotless. It is what it is, man. Take pride in yourself and your surroundings, man, and bring more positive energy to yourself. For real.
It was a little bit overwhelming.
It was a little bit overwhelming? What was overwhelming, babe? I get it. I feel it. Man, with no weapons in the crib, this would be a good weapon, man. I'll roll up on you like Boris Becker, man, and give you one of these, bro. Straight up. But yeah, let me get to cooking. My little one is a little bit peckish right now. And who knows what I'll get into next. As I told you, I'm just keeping the cameras rolling. And my life is pretty active. Yeah, let's talk about that lady too, earlier on with the lost purse. Let me know if you guys feel that she was grateful. She did call subsequently after the fact and express a gratitude. But even when she met our parents, she had them sprawl out all her IDs and everything. And I found that a little bit disrespectful because we're doing this for you out of the goodness of our good nature. We could have left it with Lost and Found and let Lost and Found go through it. But we facilitated you getting it back, especially with the time constraints and all the... You know, there were a couple of things that she had mentioned, which was why she really needed the wallet. And, yeah, like with her needing the wallet, I just feel like, I don't know. I don't know if it's a cultural thing. I don't know if it's, I don't know what it is. But sometimes, like for me, for example, I'm a very thankful person. If somebody finds something of mine and, yeah, if somebody finds a wallet of mine, my ID, my phone, my anything like that. For example, the guy who found my phone in his Uber, he didn't even... find it per se. It was just in the back seat of his car, right? What did I do for him? I gave him a little reward. Hey, hold this, man. This is for lunch. This is like, you know, get a little lunch or a little dinner on me, man, because I'm just showing my appreciation. The way the lady was speaking initially was kind of like accusatory, and then when she met our parents, she had them sprawl out all the IDs and open up the whole thing in front of them. At the location where because they met at a McDonald's, because my mom wasn't having it. My mom needed every camera in the world like on them when they were doing this transaction. But it was just weird to me. And I think when the woman ultimately got to her house, she called me and she was like, you know what, thank you so much for everything that you did, and thank you for facilitating and arranging for the meetup for this for me getting my wallet back. Because I think she realized after looking at all the balances, she went to a bank and then she'll probably be looking at a credit score and a credit reports for the next, right? But she probably looked at the balances and everything was straight, right? Everything was like pretty much regular. So, I don't know. Let me know how you feel, man. But as they say, no good deed, right? At this point, it's like I live in the elevator, man. It's crazy, I'm telling you. But my life is super active. And honestly, for X amount of time, if you see me in my bummy wear, man, you see me, sweaters, hoodies, all that, home vibe, grind vibe. You happen to see a stain or two on your boy and you don't tell me for one, you're not a tribes member, you're not family. Now, if you happen to see any stains on me too, I'm a parent, man. Do you know what kids do? They spit and barf on everything in life. Hey, Blue Eyes. So when you guys hear me talk about Blue Eyes, man, this is what I'm talking about. What's up, my boy? Ah, look at this guy. I'm not even having the camera on him because we're interacting so heavy. All right, Blue Eyes, I'm gonna see you later, okay? Yeah. All right. Boss man, got a package for. How's the day treating you, man? It's good? That's excellent, man. One thing I've learned is if you're alive, that's all that matters. Yeah? And don't worry, this thing focuses on me. They want to know what I'm doing every day, all right? Somebody does, mom, family, cousins, whoever. You know what I'm talking about, all right? But yeah, peace and blessings to all, man. That was a wild, fun interaction, man. Can't have any pets in my unit because I got little kids and all that good stuff. But it's so cool to always, like, you know, interact with people's pets and stuff like that. You know, super awesome. Thank you, man. Is that another one, right? Yeah. Yeah, super awesome. Super awesome. But let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know what you guys are up to. And something serious, too, I want to talk to you guys about. Something really important, all right? Let me give this guy my autograph really fast, and then we're going to get to chop it up, like, real soon, okay? Just waiting for it to activate, then I'm going to sign my life away. I'm about to sign my life away for real. That's it? That's it, boss? One more? Oh, snap, man. People love me for real. Package central, man. I'm getting packages left, right, and center. It is super blessing. What am I saying? It is a super blessing. Let me grab these. Just 1 second. Don't be looking up my nose now. I see you trying to look up my nose, man. See if I got boogers in it and stuff like that. I see you. I see you. My spirit is up, but I'm still tired. But that's neither here nor there. But let's see what's in these boxes, and let me not hold you guys up, man. Because you guys dedicating time watching me doing these, it's priceless, man. Because you could be doing anything in the world, but you're kicking it with me, and for that, I appreciate one and all. Just got back into the spot, and let's see what we are working with. All right, let's see what we are working with. I got my trusted Uchaga, aka my blade Uchaga. If there's any South African people that you know, ask them who Uchaga is. Uchaga, okay, Uchaga, warrior of warriors, man. That's a clue. Oh, okay. It's funny how Amazon will always send a big box like this, and you want me to show you what was in it? This. Crazy, right? And for anybody out there, man, if you take a dookie and you do not use flushable wipes, man, to make sure that your rear end is clean, you need to reevaluate yourself. If you're a lady with a man who does not take pride of himself and doesn't wipe their bum, right? If you don't wipe your bum,
if you don't use that, then you're wiping your bum with your fingertips.
Wow. My daughter just said, if you're not wiping your butt with flushable wipes, it's the equivalent of wiping your butt with your fingertips. Hey, man, it's coming from a child. From a child's mouth to your ears. I'm just saying. Why you say that?
You're not fully white.
Oh, I hear you. All right, and this is the final box for today. And I think I'm capping it off for today, man, because my day has been super active. That wait in the, like, you know, for the ultrasound was crazy. And I kind of forgot how depressing freaking things are, man. How depressing, what we call this, like hospitals. Hospitals are so sad. Like, okay, there's life that comes in the hospitals and all that. People are born, people are cured of things, ailments are resolved in hospitals. But there's just a certain level of gloom in hospitals. I don't know if you guys can relate to it. I'm not too fond of hospitals, so whenever I can, if I can avoid it, I do, man. So for any people out there, if you see me coming to a hospital for you, I love you for real, man, because I don't do hospitals. Now, this one cannot be spoken about. This is truly a CHRISTMAS joint. Okay, I'm spelling it out so my junior doesn't pick up on the vibe. If you catch what I'm saying, man. If you pick up what I'm putting down. If you're catching what I'm throwing. All right. Okay, man. Catch it like a fastball. I hope you did. But that is it for these packages. Next time you see me will be the next time you see me, and it'll still be a positive vibe, good energy, good vibes, and all that. the energy that I'm bringing across to you guys is by far the opposite of what the day's experience has been. Am I grateful for my day? Yes. Has the day been a great day? Besides the fact that I woke up, I saw my loved ones, I woke up to my daughter and my son and my better half, my family's healthy and everything. Outside of that, just the happenings outside of that were not the greatest in some scenarios, but I'm the type of person, I focus on the positive. So do remember, when you do see people show you the highlights, man. There are things that happen behind the scenes, but the type of mentality you should always have is, hey, man, I'm pushing through whatever the circumstance is. Oh, yeah, that happened? Okay, cool. I see it. Okay, what did I learn from this? Push on. That's it, all right? Hey, boss, I just saw you just now for my packages for... Yeah, there are 3 more packages, or there's at least 1 more thing that's supposed to have come.
Yeah, actually, I have 1 more box for you.
1 more? Okay, I'm coming through. I'll see you just now, okay?
Okay.
Alright, cool, man. Alright, so my man downstairs forgot to give me 1 package, and it's all good. Sometimes you just gotta be easy. A lot of people I know get aggressive to people on the front line. I used to be a concierge when I was younger, man, and I know what it takes. I know everything that it comes with, and you gotta be cool, man. You gotta be cool, you gotta be calm with these guys, because they take care of you just as much as you need him. Disrespecting a concierge, man, could cost you a lot, because these people look out for people in different ways. They could keep a package for you, they could just send it back and all that. And yeah, they're good people, man, so being cool is key. Yeah. Alright, boss, I'm back. I'm back, man. You need my autograph again? No autograph? Alright, cool. You standing? Alright, cool. Thank you. What are you? Hey, man. Keep on making these babies, I'm telling you. Right now, I'm busy saying that I don't know what this is. Meanwhile, my better half showed me like what this is. I clean forgotten what this is, but this is actually the fun stuff. This is the stuff I think that is really Vlogmasy. This is like the stuff that really has that Vlogmas vibe, for real. And I wasn't BSing when I told you guys that I've been wearing Air Forces the whole time, man. Air Forces. 3 months straight. Pure Air Forces, man. I don't even wear my other kicks anymore, man. It's kind of sad, if you ask me. It's really, really sad, right? But it is what it is. At the end of the day, you just wear what you want, right? Wear what you want, whatever's comfy for you, man. And at the moment, man, Air Forces are the one thing that is like really comfy for me. And I get to comfy in them, rock them, and yeah. They go with everything, like literally everything, for real. All right, let's get this package downstairs, and let's get the greatest story ever told on the road, and let's see what else we get into for today, because whenever I think it's done, it's never done, it's just beginning. So we're back from downstairs, and this one is a little bit of a behemoth of a box, man. So I'm gonna slide it over here, and you're gonna see me like the dude from Home Improvement. The dude that you only saw the eyes for? Yeah, that guy. Alright, so we got this right here, man. Always wanted to do one of these, but most people do the gingerbread joint. My better half and I thought, you know what, it's best to do one of these. So family activity. The last family activity we did was the Lego blocks, the Adidas Lego shoe, 150 blocks, yeah. No, what am I saying? 710 blocks. 150, child's play. That's child's play. Yeah, but give me a second, honey. I'll show you everything. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing. Also, my better half got these right here because she loves turtles. All right, and what else do we have here? Ooh, okay. All right, nothing crazy, just some chips. All right, next time you see me, I'll be getting into whatever I'm getting into. I don't even know what's special about these, but it doesn't even matter. Okay, so at this particular point, we're watching Peaks, man. Peaks was playing on TV, Peaks 100, and he was trying some pho, and I thought to myself, you know what? Why not try something different, something new, you know? So we hit up a burger spot, and we ordered a couple of things, and yeah, I'll load up the next clip, and you guys can see how it all played out. I better have ordered some food. We'll start off with the, with the basic. This is some great poutine. This is some incredible poutine. Right now, I'm gatekeeping this spot because I feel like once I mention this spot, it's going to be an influx of people that are just like, flooding it, right? This here is, I think, a basic chicken. So let's see what's going on. So look at this right here, bro. Holy. I don't want to even mess it up because, man, do you see that? See that? That thing is just soaking. Okay, let's move on, man. The beef, we got 2 beef, so I'll just show you this beef. What's this beef called, Trey? It's, with the barbecue, like sweet?
Sweet barbecue?
Alright, so this one's got sweet barbecue in it. Let go, let go, let go. So look at that, man. Look at that beef burger, man. Sweet barbecue in it. Hope the camera's doing it justice, but well put together. It's not falling apart. It's crazy. But this one here, both the chickens are insane because they have feta in them. But this here, oh, look at that. You see the feta in it? Oh, look at this chicken burger, man. And it's seasoned too. Oh, look at the feta in that. Boy, look at that. Now, you already know how I feel about mukbangs and stuff like that, so I'm not doing a mukbang. Nope. Yeah, but another beef here, but I'm not doing any mukbang. No siree. Huh?
That's all you're gonna get, guys.
That's all you're gonna get, man. You see my burger tower? Burger King.
Never been average, tailor-made from a different fabric. Biographic, on tape, mine cinematic. Lost my prodigy, I'm feeling havoc. AI intelligence, screw the practice. Couple messages up in the madness. Few days since I seen the mattress on the field.